how to stop OneDrive automatically syncing. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can stop OneDrive automatically syncing. So let's get started. To begin, simply head over to the bottom right corner of your screen and right click on the OneDrive cloud icon. Once the menu appears, click on the gear icon and choose Settings. This will open a window where you can take full control over your sync preferences. In the Sync and Backup tab, you'll want to turn off a couple of default features, specifically the option to save photos and videos from devices, as well as the one that automatically saves any screenshots you take to OneDrive. Disabling both of these will stop OneDrive from scooping up media without asking. Next, within the same tab, click on Manage Backup. Here, you'll find options to back up your documents, pictures, and desktop folders. If you want to prevent these from being synced in the background, make sure all of them are turned off, then hit Save Changes to confirm. At this point, you've already stopped OneDrive from auto-syncing the main folders most people care about. Now, if you'd like to take it one step further, navigate to the Account tab inside the same settings window. There, you see the option to unlink this PC from your OneDrive account entirely. While that's completely optional, it's useful if you want to fully disconnect your device. However, since we've already stopped the automatic syncing behavior, unlinking isn't really necessary unless you're done with OneDrive altogether. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.